What's going on, everybody? It's Matt and you are watching the Hair Transplant channel, where it's all about stopping hair loss, hair transplant tips and getting our hair back. This video is going to be about headwear during the first weeks after hair transplant and during the shedding phase, the ugly duckling phase after hair transplant, where your hair may look like this or like this. And trust me, it's not a pleasant look to be having or to be seen having, and that's why I decided to buy a cap. Bought it on Amazon. It was like $5 or $7. You can check it out here, by the way, if it's possible to order it from your country. Why I chose this one: it is adjustable right here, and especially during the first and second week after hair transplant, my donor areas, there was still a lot of pulling sensation. It was a little bit painful. That's why I decided to loosen it up, the strap at the back of the cap, and it looked something like that, you know. So it was a lot of space between my donor area and my hat. It suits to my black shirt and it also suits to my white shirt. It suits great to my leather jacket and it suits very well to my sports jacket as well. And I can totally pull it off if I'm going to the gym as well. Wear it shirtless and it will suit you anyways. You know, there was this question about, can wearing a hat negatively affect the newly planted grafts during the first week, as they are not solidified, you know. The grafts, after they will be planted, they are solidified between the 3rd and 6th day. At least that's what most of the surgeons claim. Okay, be it 3 days, 5 days, or even 7 days. It's not really that important, guys, because after you got your hair transplant, the day after, or even the same day, you realize that there is a lot of crust which build up, the dried blood. The only thing that you can spot in between the crusts are the hair shafts, which are they're sticking out a little bit. Cannot damage those grafts on the surface only if you would like start picking those crusts and scabs. Then I suppose you would damage those grafts. You decide to pick out those crusts and scabs and do it with force, then you would probably harm those grafts. But if you have a cap like this and you're maybe first day after hair transplant, let's imagine, and if you just put this hat like this, okay, you are not gonna damage those grafts. You didn't do anything. So those grafts are solidified. Those grafts cannot even move because there's so much crust. So unless you are not gonna damage the crust, the grafts are okay. Guys, as always, please don't forget to like this video right now, because that way you let YouTube know that those videos are really great, they are helping you, they are valuable, and YouTube will help me spread those videos to more of guys like yourself, so I can help them as well. So like it right now. Thank you so much for watching, for the support, and if you have still questions about headwear, about anything related to headwear after hair transplant, let me know in the comments below. It was a pleasure in this video, ladies and gentlemen. We will see each other in the next video.